Good afternoon, friends. This is Nagbhushan, an astrologer, again for the series of houses. I am going to teach you regarding fifth house today. As in this chart, I am going to show you this is fifth house is a Cancer ascendant, and from Cancer there is Cancer, Leo, Virgo, then Libra, then Scorpio. Here, the fifth house is the Scorpio, and here you see in the first house there is Jupiter exalted, and in the third house Mercury is in his own house, and Sun is debilitated in the fourth house. In fifth house, that is Saturn, is sitting. Let me see that Saturn placement. You see who is the Yoga Karakas in this chart means whoever the planet who is the Kendra Lord and also Trikona Lord means we call him as a Yoga Karaka. In this chart, here you see the fourth house Lord as well as the 11th house Lord. Sorry, here yes, fifth house Lord as well as 10th house Lord are also the same. So we call that Mars is Yoga Karaka for this ascendant. You see, I'm talking you regarding fifth house. Fifth house is a house of intelligence, expectation, entertainment, child, and gambling, many more things that it going to represent. And in the fifth house, the Jupiter is the Karaka of fifth house, and you see in this fifth house the Lord of seventh as well as the eighth house, that is Saturn, is sitting in the fifth house. You see that fifth house is always must be very strong enough, then only the person having intellectual abilities and the person who is having intellectual intelligence put into use. That fifth house is occupied by the eighth lord and also seventh lord is eighth lord is a malefic lord, so placing fifth house is in a not a good sign. Why? Because Saturn is not comfortable with the Mars here. Saturn sitting in the Mars house, and the dispositor of the Saturn, that is Mars, is sitting in the sixth house. Again, this is also not good placement. And come to the aspect, you see on the fifth house, we cannot find any aspect. Why? Because of course Jupiter having aspect over the fifth house. As you see, Jupiter is exalted there in the Cancer. His aspect over the fifth house is very, very, very auspicious. And but you see that Jupiter is the lord of sixth house and also ninth house. So sixth house is the malefic house, whereas the ninth house is the Trikona house. So what you call sixth house is bad house and ninth house is a good house. So he is being lord of both houses is giving mixed results, and that is what. And one has to see the strength of his horoscope, that natal chart means we have to for you can see all the houses and all the house placements and all the lords and their strength and the aspect over it, everything we have to know. Along with this, we have to see the dasha also, and along with this, we need to see the Navamsha chart also. See, this is the Navamsha chart. The Lagna chart is what you call Navamsha chart is also having same importance as Lagna chart. And in the same class I would like to say a few more things. And you see some natural benefic planets are there in the astrology, Vedic astrology, They are Jupiter, what we call Venus, and Moon are natural benefic planets, and malefic planets are Sun, Saturn, Mars, Rahu, Ketu are the malefic planets. Mercury is what we call, if it is placed with benefics, it acts as a benefic. If it is placed with malefics, it acts as a malefic. So that is the one more thing. And in the same class, I would like to say about a relationship with one planet to other planet. Means we can say, so not all planets are friends, not all planets are enemies. uh, I'll okay, you see, for example, Jupiter, Saturn, Sun, Moon are the friends, one can say, whereas what we call Sun having enmity over the Venus, Saturn having enmity over Moon and Mars, Jupiter having enmity over Mercury, like this. It is what the some planets are what you call having good relationship with each other, and some planets are not having good relationship with each other. And still many more things there to tell you, and keep watching my videos, and yet lot more is there to come. I would like to request you, please subscribe my channel, and if you are interested, please like and comment. Thank you very much. Thank you.